Yeah, here we are. We good to go. Good to go. I thought uzonyusa umlenze oyi-1 belapha kube comfortable kanjengami in a way like sincokole.
Oh, okay. Oh, mama, sekenza wena sha.
Boy, I just I know.
Alright, no, Sanbonani, and namhlanje siniphathele the goatest guy egazi. Siphethu Messi wama podcast. This time he's sitting on the other side. This is your time and your turn. Ukuthi news ukuthi usiphatheleni and ubani. Sawubona bhuti wami.
Hi mommy.
Njani?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I know I'm good. Asishisi leso sihlalo.
Yeah.
Sakushisa ne?
Yo. Yeah, already I'm sweating. I'm sweating. And yazi ba
you walked sweater into zakho.
Okay.
Tell us actually ubani?
Ngokuzalwa kama nguLuyanda. Okay, I'm not sure bangaba in which context ne.
No, who is uLuyanda?
Okay. I'm a troublemaker, man. Yeah, I'm a troublemaker. The individual lanes ba when he's around sukuba comfortable. Yabo? I wouldn't even say bangaba in which way, but sukuba comfortable nje at all. Yabo? Because I think now le aura life into abayibizayo le yabantu. But ngokuzalwa I go by the name of uLuyanda. Njengoba sisho bangubani uLuyanda. Yeah, ndizalelwe eElliot kwi location abayibiza ba kuselokishini endala, like old location. Okay. I don't know, is it because maybe it's kwakuyi ilokishi yokuqala naphayana. I'm not yet sure ngehistory yaphayana kusekhaya though, but I'm not yet sure. But ndizalelwe khona ndakhulela ePolar Park 4. I was adopted, but I didn't know bangaba I was adopted because I was never told. I grew up thinking ndisekhaya, yabo, because that's how I felt bangaba ndisekhaya until ndaba matured enough to actually grasp bangaba kwenzeka ntoni, to sense and all of that. So that's when I knew man kuthama no, something is not on up. Then I did my research. Then I found out about ndikhuliswe ngumngani kamamam, like my mom's friend. Yeah. Until 2010. Then I came here. I remember ukukhula kwaMphayana. We used to watch Generations. Yeah, I was more into music mna, whereas amanye amajita were more into idiski and all other activities and stuff, but I loved music. So I joined the choir. Bayibiza okay, yakatatu nobangela phaya. I forgot the name yale choir yayincinci because they had 2 choirs, yabantwana abancinci and then nabantu abadala. So I started kule yabantwana abancinci. We sang phayana. We visited ama towns amaninzi, Eastern Cape, yabona, until I was promoted to choir yabantu abadala because I was doing indaba yo music out of uthando. So when you're doing something out of uthando, you don't need to be pushed about anything.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So bendinjalo. But at home, bekune TV. We would either watch wrestling or kanye Generations. Because Generations was one of amasoapies bewavuta back in the days. I don't know ngo because ansayibukela TV since YouTube has taken over. Yeah. So from then watching Generations, you would see ama laptops phaya. Yabo. We would see ama laptops. Yo man, like ndinqwanele that thing. Yabona EPS zami ziqalela amafoni yo Motorola V360 in kungena lawo mafoni lawo yo Nokia 1100 and stuff, abotishela and stuff. No man,
laptop.
I want a laptop. I want a laptop. If only I could have a laptop, guys. Yeah. So unfortunately, we were a family that was surviving. So it wasn't easy to just get what you want without maybe mama sacrifice or something endlini, which is going to cost like the whole family. I remember Kaya skhuliswa ngutata ongumyeni wayengumyeni ka mama lo sikhulisa, because I grew up calling her umama way more than my actual mom, because my actual mom ndisambiza uMaxoli nangoku by her name, but lo nikhulisileyo nisathi mama because I grew up, yeah, and then dinaleyo attachment leyo, yabo. So sikhuliswe nguye ubhuti esebenza eWes, standimbiza ubhuti ke the husband, standimbiza ubhuti like sonke endlini would call him ubhuti, esebenza eWes. He was feeding a family of 11 day in day out. There is not a day where we would sleep singadlanga endlini, yabo. Ngapha siyafunda. I remember we would walk an hour uke esikoleni, ihlangu sometimes ezibhobokile ngaphansi. Si11 endlini singabantwana sonke, and we all depending on salary A1, yabo. So we appreciated into ukuthi what was actually working in 100% during that time was the fact that kakuphakwa sonke, we are going to gather as a family, sizodla endaweni eyi-one and stuff. That really felt warm, and against ukuthi ukhohlwe nokuthi sometimes udla ipapa ne-soup enamazambane eyenzwe yabaningi, yagalwa anamanzi amaningi, so that it was accommodator sonke, but we wouldn't care, we wouldn't mind, because we were doing that out of love, out of appreciation nge-efforts zakabhuti and stuff. And 2010 I came up eJozi. Yeah, that's when ngengoku zofacana nefamily yami yamanyanyani, ngengoku my biological family or my blood family, I don't know what to call it. My mom, my siblings in okay, mom would communicate in the call and stuff, but then communication wasn't that big than sasemncane, so beka communicate nabantu abadala kumatyelo amaninzi, yabo. So I got here. Xa ndifika apha, they told me about a church enalo music endiwuthandayo, which was Thokoza Christian Church back in the days, beyilapha ngase-Hardware ententeni, kathiwa uzolunga phaya. I was like, okay, cool, I'll go check it out. And then isikole, I wanted isikole nento okwenza ne-computer, for as long une-computer, guys. Kathiwa ebuhle buzile, they are teaching i-CAT as well. So kuma subjects wakho, make sure that you're going to choose i-CAT, because benzongena grade 10.
Okay.
So I chose i-CAT. I loved i-computer. Like, from then, there was a guy up because bekangunyawupe back in the days. That's why I appreciate la machita lawa bunyawupe in a way. Ilumchita knows the computer. He knows the computer. He doesn't even have a qualification yayo, but he knows it. Bandipa I Samsung E250 ndayifaka memory card. So ndambiza ngelinye ilanga, because every time xa ndithenge ibox le computer phofu ndizolithenga kuye alilungise andinikeze ndilisebenzise. Hayi man, couple of weeks nje down the line selimoshekile, xa ndimbiza uzondicharge enye imali. So I felt ukuthi he's tricking me, ngathi uliyenza ukuthi lingabi ko 100%, so that makaloke, yeah, okay. I took ifoni ngayibeka phezu kwe-wardrobe, kusahlala emkhukhwini, ngayibeka phezu kwe-wardrobe, and then ngafaka ivideo, ngakhipha ibox lami, ngalichacha ngalihlanganisa, ngahluleka ukulihlanganisa, and then ngahamba ngayombiza, yabo. Makafika ngapress record da iphone, ngathi ngicela ngihlanganisele leli box, walihlanganisa umjidi box. Walihlanganisa umjidi. I'm recording a video.
Yeah, this is why I was recording.
Yeah, this is why I was recording. Yeah, so from then, wathi xa igqiba, I told him bangaba le mali ndikubhatala yona, charge me knowing ukuba ngaba it's the last one, because ngeke isaphinda ngoku, babo. Wancharge ke imali yakhe, and that was the last one. I watched leya video leya, the quality was bad, it wasn't that clear, but I knew lento ayithathayo about where it's supposed to go and all of that, because I was familiar with zonke components zento ze PC board, yabo. nayi motherboard as a whole. So ke ngoku from there nayi man I fell in love with the subject. Hey beyinibhayizisa esikoleni because whatever they were teaching esikoleni was more of a theory yokutype kwi-Word and your Excel ntoni zonke ezo zinto like your Microsoft and stuff.
Computer.
Yeah, this thing bendiyifuna apparently benzoyifumana ecollege okanye university because that is when bazokuchachela icomputer ke no bakuyenzele these things. Mina bengingafuni le ukuthi mawupressa ama-softwares uzohlangana nani. I didn't want to learn the softwares. That is why iskela ayibe nokungibhazisa nyani computer kuma-classworks and stuff. But once kwathiwa kuzoba nama-practicals nje in a way kuzochacha icomputer ama-components nayo yonke le nto le, I'll be good. And on the other side I wanted to be a lawyer. But umhlaba wangishaya mfethu umhlaba wangishaya umhlaba. Fast forward ngagcina sengingena kwi-photography. Now when I started i-photography okay bengisengijola. Yeah, let me not lie, bengisengijola already, bengisengimosha kakhulu. Yeah, but I wanted le nto le yokuba ne-choice as to okay ubani ngoku engifuna ukumhita yabo because camera inayo le nto le yoku-attractela amantombazana ukuthi azwakale kuwo. Yeah, uzongishuta and all of that. Abanye abanamali but they want izinto ezi. So I had that in mind ukuthi boy you're going to hit manje and so you're going to level up and stuff. I got kwi-photography kanjalo. I did it. Mara bengihluleka ukushela umuntu engimshutayo because at the same time bengilambile and I wasn't working. So imali ngiyayifuna. Yabo? So noba ngaba attractive ayekuphi but imali ngiyayifuna. And then there was this other guy ekase athi hayi MK lamantombazana awashutayo ulala nawo. Yabo? That young demotivate amandla lento leya into i-photography. Ngayistopa nokuyistopa. That's when I was like no man, because develop some sort of a connection ne camera, let me rather go for videography and then pursue something ezawenza ukuthi akungabikho lento ukuthi hawulala naye uthini zonke izidrama ezenzakalayo because ku-industry sibulawa izinto ezinjalo yabo. So that's when I developed interest into the videography, ngihamba ama-grounds and all of that. Ngikhule ngo-music. I thought ukuthi mangikhula ngizoshoot music video yasesontweni because ngikhule esontweni. Mara back then man I didn't like indlela ebebashuta ngayo, like the style where kuzoma abantu bayikhwaya kuyenzwe and then one is singing. I just didn't like that. That wasn't for me. And most abantu bebashuta music video back then and they were available ukuthi basgaye imali were those people. So I was like nah this thing unfunle, so I wouldn't even nail umsebenzi wakhona because angiyifili le nto leya. So let me rather aphuma ku-music. I went grounding. I didn't know ibhola angazi ama-offside ayenzakala makuphi, but I would see ukuthi khona mayikhishwe i-team yakho kwi-side lakho, okay khona le or okay i-throw in le yabona. Ngafunda lawo ma-basics lawo. Ngathi ngifuna i-content yase-groundini and ngifuna i-content yase-groundini because e-groundini kuba crowded and makuba crowded mawufika la everyone mawufika laphayana omshutayo will want to go and watch obviously. So bengicounta ama-viewerships ukuthi umuntu uzobhobha kayini, not knowing ukuthi competition is very tight kara e-groundini. It's like umuntu ohambe i-varsity or e-college wayefunda i-office administration okanye i-HR. We've got ama-graduates amaninzi waleyo qualification leyo. And izibhani izincane mfethu. So that's what I mean when I say competition was very tight. Sibaya singama-photographers, we are doing this thing. And then I met this guy was a Pamridge, Ufuwo. He says to me ukuthi yazi ntanga kule nto le photography, treat it as a pie. It's okay. Just know ukuthi yonke photographer ese-groundini une-story sakhe azosisho yabo. une-audience yakhe futhi on top of that. It doesn't matter ukuthi sisegroundini shoot team A1 and then uzitshela ukuthi no, people are gonna watch the game from me, they won't watch it from you. One will want the angle from you, of which nami ngishudile, but uzothi no, I still want to see the same shot but from angle a different, yabo. So that's where you will come in as well. And I was like, okay, so there's a market, yabo. So man, ngastick ebholeni. I didn't feel this thing, man. Ngapi camera shy dusty, iyammosheka, lose quality. Abantu aba-host ama-tournament, abafuna ukubhadala and all of that, and you've got to maintain these things. And I was like, umuntu uyabhoreka now. I'm slowly losing interest kwizinto eze-content. And then ngangena into the admin side of sports. That's when I see a drama. I see a lot of ignorance. I see a lot of admin that's supposed to be taken into consideration. I see a lack of accountability. And I was like, this is where I'm going to fit. How do I then fit? Yeah. How do I then fit? Let me be the only one that's going to make everyone ukuba abe uncomfortable around me. Remember when I said be uncomfortable around me?
See.
Yeah. Let me make everyone be uncomfortable around me, because whatever that you are doing in a professional space and in the Ibona, I am going to question it, and I am going to somewhat make you account for it, more especially if ever we ends are wrong. Be it you are willing to come and account, or I will force you to account, because obviously send it media and go. Yeah. So interest yaqala ke ngoku yafalla into the development side of a community. But then how do you develop a community? Face these topics as sensitive, abantu abangafuni ukukhuluma ngazo and all of that, because if ever sizodlala sincoma ukuthi kuyenzeka kahle guys in and ignoring izinto ezibulala i-community, I was like, no guys, let me be the one that's going to advocate for a community development, but in a side of media and production. So yeah, taking the long summary yenzibe short, that is who uLuyanda MK is.
Oh, so uLuyanda MK or uLuyanda MK? Because there's always something about amagama.
Yeah.
The people that say, in this space uLuyanda, in this space MK. Does it also work now, or it's just Luyanda or MK? Phuma kumuntu uthi ubani?
I called myself MK because I don't like the word Luyanda for some reason. I can't even explain why I don't like the word. Whenever anyone is asking me Kamalam, hlala ndigoloza like ukumxelela uba ndinguluyanda, but I would easily say it nickname.
Okay.
So MK is the nickname, but then I registered MK ngayo leyo nickname leyo. So when someone is asking me kubangaba in Tony MK, I say MK is me and I am MK.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now since we touched about community development, let's address the elephant in the room.
Okay.
Wasuga up,
Yeah,
why
from
Eastern Cape? Like, what was playing in your head the very first time you made that decision? Because I believe that it's not something you decided to tell Panzat, okay, Eastern Cape, something drove you there.
Yeah. I've always wanted to go home.
Okay.
I've always wanted to go home.
Mandela style.
But what I had in mind, Mangsuga Eastern Cape, was I'm coming here to develop a life yam. Yabo? So that ngaba namandla are enough work change situation yasekhaya. Yabo? When I say yasekhaya, I don't mean yasendlini.
Yeah, I guess.
But yase Elliot as a whole. Yabo? So ndafika eGauteng. What I like about iJozi is iJozi izokusupporta mfethu.
Definitely.
Izokusupport iJozi 100%. You want to build your life, izokusupporta. You want to destroy your life, izokusupporta.
We are here
Yabo?
for it.
So I got confused for ixesha elide and yet asking myself ukuba kahle when is my time, so I got to realize ukuba I'm asking by ixesha lam lifika nini and yet I'm not doing anything. Yabo? Okay, where do I start?
I want the very first conversation in your head.
Yeah,
Obviously,
this is
before
the
you said it out
conversation.
loud,
Yeah,
you probably said, okay, I'm doing this, I'm going back home. But now there were different ways to go back home, right? And you chose the route to walk.
to walk.
That's the question. When you chose this route to walk, what came to your head? I mean, you could have said I was in such a taxi in your car and everything. But now you are narrating this to someone who is not familiar with Istora Sako.
Yeah.
And lo muntu uthi wahamba vele ngeenyawo, why ahambe ngeenyawo? You know, that's the conversation I want to have with you. I want to know istem sakho, the very first time you had that conversation, what were you thinking about? I get that you're trying to change a situation, right? And you wanted to go back home. But now I want to understand in depth ukuthi why walk?
Okay. It derives from the decision yokuwalka. It derives from the reflection ebengikhuluma ngayo.
Okay.
Yeah, me wanting to do this thing and me wasting time in it and all of that. Yabo? So I got to a decision or a point where I was like, let me do something. Yabo? The me doing something, remember the original plan was, let me develop myself. Yabo? How do I then develop myself? In fact, siyazama ukuthola ibhani, asiyitholi ibhani and all of that. You watch TV ku media, everyone is telling a story ngendlela yakhe. Yabo? That's when I was like, okay, let me just do something that's not gonna be filtered. Yabo? Just allow you a platform. Just come to my podcast. You want to destroy your image or your in, I will allow you the platform. You want to build or whatever, I'm going to still allow you the platform, but under these conditions. Yeah, but I'm the one that's going to be asking you questions and stuff. Yeah, well, but I saw, man, this thing I say, I'm not working, the equipment for this thing to work and all of that. Kumele nizama ukupromote ama videos, market, zonke izinto is like there's kune admin side of production and stuff. Zonke anikwazi ukuzenza. I need a team. For me to get a team, I must have some sort of funding. Yabo? Name a few people from eThokoza abake ba apply like business funding futhi bayifumana. There's really a few. We are discouraged on its own. The corruption in the government space and government offices and stuff. It's just discouraged when we got to go and claim what actually belongs to us. Yeah, well? So I started by doing partnership and sponsorship applications. I registered a company, not as an organization, but as a PTY, like a private company. And then after registering it, I knew when I go and you apply izinto zama fundings and stuff, I'm not gonna come with theme sponsorship, because when they sponsor, they know kuti whatever mali abazonginikeza yona, they're going to claim it back from your tax returns, your SARS, whatever. Yabo? So let me rather apply for a partnership and tell you what you're going to get in return. Yabo? When you partner with me, and I want you to partner ngemali. I don't just want your presence. Yeah. So I did them applications and my names in faith. They didn't work. Yabo? I started to search why angasebenza my applications, because it's not like English is poor or akna vision or akna anything guy. Yabo? But M50 politics is everywhere. Politics are everywhere. You even if you send your applications to the right people, there's always those applications abazos prioritizer as to ngabapha esizomthatha nama brown envelopes and all of that. I don't even have a brown envelope. Hiyo le mos ndi applyelayo up. Yabo? So that didn't work. I was like, what can I do? I checked into a YouTube channel yam. It has 21,000 subscribers. I checked geography, fan base yam. South Africa as a whole was less than 2% support or subscription as South Africa, or let alone subscription, but nje engagement, viewership, whatever nje was less than 2%. And I was like, yo, maybe that's why andaziwa yi. Yabo? What can I do ezoba extreme, ezoba risky, and yet insebenzele, just for them to get to know me ubangaba dingban. Yabo? Let me do a walk. Where can I walk? Do I go to Durban? Do I go to Cape Town? Do I go PPP and all of that? I'm not even a traveler. Yabo? So let me just go home. I've always wanted to go home. I think, and this is going to be the grand entrance, because it's not only going to attract a community, it's also going to attract nama potential partners, nama sponsors, whatever vision that I have. Okay, cool. We are doing a walk. I check how many kilometers. Ukusuka Finland straight. Ukuyocho a town hall, Eastern Cape, like 783 kilometers. Yo, I'm like, I Google a normal person. How many kilometers can they walk a day? They are like 37 or so. That's a normal person. 37 a whole day.
Include like 5 kilometers.
Yeah. Yo. Okay. If ever na training nyani ndiyenza and then doing diet, this means I can maybe try to walk way more than this 37 kilometers. Remember, when I'm taking this decision, it's still around Bumajen last year. Still around Bumajen. And then I break it to my mom. I tell my mom, hey, yes, December and shying or Eastern Cape. Ataibo wena ulogoduka mos kwenze njani? Ndithi ndifuna ukuya ngenyawo. She laughs at me.
Yeah, because yo.
So she laughs at me, and then xa ehleka kanjalo, ngicela ukuyoreport. Yabo? So mom laughs at me. Okay. It didn't offend me. I didn't have any like emotions ngayo, because me saying it to my mom was a confirmation kum yokuba ndiyayenza lento le, because I knew bangaba ndizicingela ndiyi-1 bangaba ndiyayenza, I can change my mind at any time. But if I tell it to someone else and then izawumothusa to a point where ahlahlala nikhumbuza ngayo, like as time goes, because kusase uJen yayiqonda uba kusase nguJen ndihamba next year Jen, so I have like 11 months yonke yokuchange umqondo wami, be like, I'm not going. Okay, after telling it to my mom, nasema-groundini, I would tell to a few coaches, few players, but hey, yazi nyavaya ndizoshaya campaigns zohamba ngenyawo ndisithi everyone took it as a joke. I asked even ama-commentators ukuthi mfethu, okay, towards the date ke ngoku we are around September or so, tournaments, I would even ask ama-commentators, but I'm fit, no man, Kula mentioned into so during a game, yabo, and obviously now ngikushaya izithombe mahala ndoda, so now you might as well unpromote, yabo. Still amajita bebangayenzi, because to them I was like ayadlala le out le, yabo. And game na I don't do follow-ups. I don't know ngidalwe kanjalo. If ever first presentation yam I didn't leave anything out, I don't do follow-ups, because ngikunikeze yonke information, yabo. So if you wanna do mhlawumbe lonto endiyicelayo, obviously xa kuna something that you do not understand, you're going to ask. So if ever you are not asking, nam ndiyaphuma kuwe. So I think in marketing, even though it was there in the promotion of the promoting of the campaign, even though it was there, because even on Facebook I was posting it. 5 months left. Njengi posted A1, and then makshege 4 months, like 4 months left. And then there was a time where big shege 7 days, 7 days, 7 days left, 6 days left. And then that's when people
People are like,
started being like, kwenzeka ntoni ke ngoku apha, yabo? And then the day ke ngoku endiphuma ngayo endihamba ngayo, gone. Yabo?
Like gone.
Gone. I had to do the admin side of a campaign because I'm not just gonna walk. Yabo? What do I need? I knew ukuba ngaba EMK is growing in demand. I'm getting calls from the Eastern Cape, even a KZN, even from the Western Cape to say, sicela uze kwi-tournament yethu uzosishutela yona usipromotele yona and all of that. And knowing that i-promotion leyo ndiye ndiyenze mahala sometimes, so people do take leyo opportunity leyo ukuthi bayisebenzise, yabo? I don't have a car. I don't have equipment that is strong enough uba izokhona ukuzenza izinto ezi. Ukhumbula uba ama-cameras that we are using zifuna ukuthi uloku change i-battery and stuff. Usemakhaya akunagesi, awuzuba nandawo yokucharger. But if ever you've got a strong equipment or nama-inverters and all of that, you'll be able to cover the whole program abayenzayo. Yabo? I wanted to go. I still want to go, but equipment being shy and the means of transportation. You could even hear and I know when we are doing a podcast up in Lynn, there's kids abadlalayo ngaphandle, there's cars ezindlulayo sinini, there's a car that's gonna come and say mazamba into 10 rand icarrot 10 rand iveg 10 rand, yabo? You'd hear izinto ezinjalo whilst uyenza podcast, yabo? So ke ngoku that's what strengthened the idea of campaign, the admin side of it. Okay, what can I gain xa this thing for MK so that I can be able to actually boost the work that I'm doing already? Because Kumbula, I do go kuma promotions. Anyone can tell you I do go kuma promotions, you shoot at those events, these promote and stuff, and uncharging a cent. But kwezilapha locally ndiyakhona ukuzibholthela ndiziyele. But once yaba fair namibone ngoku i-transport sizongikhosta boma 500 plus in angisakhoni ke ngoku ukufika, and we cannot use i-taxi mfethu uphethe ama-camera and stuff. You are not safe. And i-taxi izokubeka kwi-stop sign ayizukubeka egate lawo yakhona, yabo? So I knew ukuthi I needed a car. I-license khona. I needed a car ukuthi ngizokhona ukuthi ngibe mobile. Same time I needed a studio place so that ngizokhona booster the quality of umsebenzi nguyenzayo already, and at the same time I needed the studio equipment naso for booster nje, and then ugenza ukuthi umsebenzi uflow, yabo? Because it sucks nangokukhumbula ukuthi masicabanga ukuthi sekuzophela 30 minutes kumele ngiyoreboot camera because ngiwu-cameraman, ngiwu-producer, yonke lento le at the same time.
You should have someone umile that side.
Yeah, uyabo? So akukho easy ukushare i-vision enganamali nomuntu because silambile bafethu, yabo? So for me, I know this is an investment, that's why ngingamind ukuyenza, even when I know ukuthi mangikhipha this money ngiyothenga le mic angeke ngibe nokuthi endlini for the whole month. I don't mind because mangiyazi ukuthi ngiyenze ama-podcast angimnandi mfethu, because lama-podcast lana eventually they're going to generate imali for me. They're going to create igama le-MK ukuthi libe la phezulu, and they're going to elevate ne-developments zama-communities wethu, yabo? So I kind of knew ukuthi what am I sacrificing for and stuff, even though I didn't anticipate indlela uba ngabe izoba njani going to the Eastern Cape, but then I knew what I can achieve out of yonke le nto leya.
And you did, yeah.
Did I?
You did. I think it created a buzz, no?
Yeah, true.
And I remember before your walk, you interviewed me at some point. Going getting a call from my aunt. Are oh, but I'm just now interviewer. Go Ntong, go Galitos. Kyo Otsiadi walk. So yeah, my aunt is like, Hebatong, this guy is walking. We are Eastern Cape. And I remember at the time we were walking, I was busy. Hey, my life was upside down that time. But then the minute people started texting me, but hey, MK, we are Eastern Cape, Yazisiras. I think I sent you a text.
You did. Yeah.
And I was like, like, how was it? Like, where you're not scared. I mean, number one, crime in South Africa is high, right? And in reality, crime is high, and now you are walking with petty phone.
Yeah.
You know, you have your gadgets. Didn't you think for a second, these people bareborn, I'm documenting, someone can come at a chance?
Ish.
I need 12 MKs, Jillian. Both him basically. like both him I'm sure khona lento le bithembile le.
You know, I got to a point where buza those questions. Kusafe kangakanani endleleni? How long have you been home? Yabo? Uyayazi ngoku indlela ukuba ngabe ihamba kanjani. Like it's been years. Ndagqibela ukuya e-Eastern Cape like shosho ndisiya entabeni. Yabo? And then ndaphinda ndaya e-Eastern Cape ndisiya kwakunomtshato endandiyoshuta eCofa Mvaba. Ndaphinda ndaya ndisiya kulo mtshato lo but ndandihamba ebusuku still. Yabo? Uyayazi indlela like amaxesha amaninzi where uyihambile le ndlela le, and you'll have to know i-details zendlela if ever uyawalka, especially umuntu owalkayo. Yabo? Andiyazi le ndlela le, but what I can tell you is if ever there's the internet uzoba mnandi. Yeah, ndaqale ndacheck ama-routes. Okay, ukuthi okay xa ndisuka apha endlini ndizojoyina i-R59, from R59 bethe R59 ndiyongena ku-N1, and then from N1 iyo ndifake eBloemfontein. Yabo? I just knew that by N1 iyo ndifake eBloemfontein. Ukuthi how kwaze kwathini kanjani iyo ndifake eBloemfontein. I did do a research of ama guest houses nama motels along the way. Yabo, ukuthi ngawapha kufishane ku-N1, and then I made the mark of them because obviously been prepared for the road. Ukuthi mangavela N1 ndikule ndawo athi I'm going to accommodate you, maybe ngokuba uhambe uyolala. Yabo? Maybe your guest house for the night and stuff. Yeah, obviously I was gonna know ba mandephi because bensend identifyile along the way bangaba okay avaziva indawo zokuphumula. Sure. Mfethu, I took it light, man. I took it light, honestly. I'm saying I took it light because I remember there was even a time where it came to me into kutuzoshona mfethu.
Bengifuna ukuya lapho.
Yeah, it came to me. And then ngendlela engikhathele ngayo, ngendlela engizinikele ngayo kwispani, and I just knew nje man ukuthi if I'm not doing this thing yangizophila ne, but ngizoregreta.
Yeah.
Yabo? Because this is what I think and I'm convinced that it's going to work for me. Because even if I'm not going to get that car I'm looking for, or the studio equipment that I'm looking for, or the house including that I'm looking for, I'm going to get publicity. Yabo? Now it's going to be in two ways. It's going to be a good publicity, and then there's going to be a bad publicity. Am I risking my life for Leon to Leona?
But like, listen, as someone ukhule without a father, ne? And you've always had Leo Void, and now you have a daughter, did you not think, Uti, there is like a slight chance that I would be putting my daughter through that now? If anything happens to me in Dylan, like where was she in Ngondweni during the course of the time when you were calculating my risk?
Okay, I don't know if one might say ukuthi udinga therapy na MK, but I don't know. But ubaba mashona ngina 8 years mfethu. 8. And before ngireacha 8 years, I only have memories zamnaye, like the love, the bond and everything. I beka khona, yabo. After shonile, zonke memories engiye ngaba nazo were memories ze survival.
Okay.
Yabo. So me knowing leyo nto leyo, I would every day tell myself ukuthi I survived because I am my father's son. So if I believe leyo nto leyo ukuthi it's gonna work for me and it's working for me, and my father never told me ukuthi boy you are going to survive because you are my son, ivele yazifikela nje leyo nto leyo kum, my kids are gonna be good. They're gonna be good. Indlela ubaba wami that was able to make memories nam was because present, ukhona, ula akunamuntu omlwayo ukuthi you're not gonna see umntwana and all of that. She was here. Yabo? There was no technology back then. This time kuthe makufika wonke lama fights that we always have nabo baby mama in angeke kubona umntwana yena angeke ngin-support yonke leyo nto leyo. Technology is there.
Yeah.
Yabo? I do have a view, or let me not say a view, I do have a picture or a video of how my father was like, of which now, even after 100 years, my kids and their grandkids and their grandkids will have a video of how their grandfather was like.
I see. Let's talk about the arrival at Eastern Cape. I mean, firstly, people was at Eastern Cape bagmele. And I'm certain that they are watching the journey as it happens, because now MK Wabo is on the way. And I know that they were proud that you chose that as a destination. How was arriving ekhaya after so long? And not arriving because we gigi, but arriving because we are ekhaya.
Sure.
Like emotionally.
Okay. It was beyond my expectations. It was beyond my expectations. And unfortunately, I am singumtu or okay, the only time where you would think or you would see ubanga I've got emotions, it's mhlawumbe wena uzobona ama glasses emehlweni wami and be like, oh ufuna ukukhala, no, he's got emotions. Yabo. Other than that, I cannot express them ngoku ngivuye
Yeah.
or angikho kanjalo like ngi-introvert. Yeah, introvert. But the moment was way beyond expectation. First of all, mangisuka la, there was no formal documentation that I wrote to the Eastern Cape.
Okay.
At all. The only applications and proposals, whatever that I wrote were from or were to Eastside Lalape Gauteng. Yeah, the municipality and all the potential sponsors and stuff. Ngaba banteni babhalile Eastern Cape, nothing. Sakisizwe municipality, nothing. Chris Hani district municipality, nothing. And Palanga next to them. And then when I get to Alwal North, okay, it's when ke ngokubathi napha police station ukuthi baba le ndlela ozongena kuyo ngoku inama wild animals and stuff. So usejiving go via Queenstown because you'll be safe nyana mawama ngaleyo ndlela leyo. I check ama kilometers. I'm like, yo. From here to Queenstown alone, mfethu, it's like boma 100 and something. Yeah, I was like, angeke. Yo. So kuzo edeka kilometers from this 783 kilometers and is plenileyo mna.
That's
Yabon?
another day more.
Yeah, and given that I didn't even have the experience yokuwalka i-distance engaka ya ndinama difficulties ngapha bencrampa lokhe sometimes ndincedwe i-deep heat I bought i-deep heat xa ndisefika enarheni then ndithambise yona and stuff so I knew ukuthi if undiphuma ngale ndlela le I might not even make it to Queenstown ndingadinga i-emergency and people won't care ukuthi dilimele sendiphi it's gonna be a failed campaign yabo and I was like I'm not taking that one ngawapha amanye ama-alternatives ndifake ipost yokuba ndise-Alwal North then from Alwal North ndizophuma ndiye-Barkley yabo because there's no stake spread mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi along the way ngaleya ndlela bendihamba ngayo I'm not even sure ukuthi bekungu-R28 or R58 na I'm not sure but I think it's R50 okay I'm not sure of the road I didn't double check ngoku but then it's there on my maps yiyo le ndlela le ene abesithi omnye umadala eposting there on Facebook ba kwakunengonyama eyayiphumile la eyayiqhweshile and there was never a report ukuthi yatholakala or khambani yabo and obviously they mfethu like the Drakensberg Mountains bra wild animals zida all sorts of wild animals uzawafumana phaya so I asked on Facebook what do I do ke maseku so okay kofumaniseka ba i-advices ezibhaya they say take a taxi from Alwal North to Barkley at least mawuthathe from there to Barkley and then from Barkley okay, you can continue with your whatever hey while sikuleyo conversation kungena i-call bangena i-call kufona oh God I want to mention these people but uncommunicatanga nabo prior yabo but the gentleman calls I'll talk to him if ever uyavuma ndimention I'll nzobhala igama lakhe I'll just write his name he calls me and say umasipala wase Eastern Cape say they wanna welcome you yabo but abayazi bama bayenze kanjani because when you didn't send anything abayazi nokuba campaign ngantoni but they are aware ba usuke eGauteng uza apha Elliot yabo so what can they do yabo I'm like okay this is interesting you know why it's interesting benze lose your hope ngokuyokuba ngizosithola i-sponsorship because nisukile eGauteng senze ngize Alwal North akaka yenzeki next mfethu like benze lose hope ukuthana le work it's not but the publicity side that's when ke ngoku indaba ivuka khona ukuthi now this is going to cause me traffic ye social media how do I then use this opportunity I was like no I don't mind let's do that vele I didn't send anything because now I just thought banza ufika a good destination and be like okay guys infikile ngo good destination and then that's it yabo I didn't even do research ngako man when you do these campaigns isebenza kanjani and stuff yabo so ndafika phaya I told the guy ukuthi ngicela ambulance obvious benzazi ukuthi physically I need medical attention right ngicela ambulance like kuzo zonke izinto eningazi provide la
ambulance
can the ambulance be priority number 1 and then ke nama traffic cops ke nama police for your sirens and whatever yabo that's the only thing that I could ask for given that I didn't write any document
anything
prior to them and the reason why I didn't write any document prior to them it's because i-project ze MK kunye nePhiliso Foundation zizo resume from Pi Eastern Cape Pi Elliot I needed to physically go there so that nizoyazi kuba ngaba what sort of a change enzoza nayo yabo so now that's when I used the opportunity leyo I knew ba lama sirens lawana azoyenza the whole of Elliot or Ekowa uba ibe curious as to ngubani lo in yabona.
President yakubo,
Yeah.
ngama-siren.
Yeah, so them doing that, igama lam was registered into their minds. That was enough for now.
Yeah.
That was enough because the campaign indeed it's going to happen annually because of the projects la esifuna ukuwayenza. But fortunately or unfortunately, there's never been questions as to what is your actual plan, Elliot. For now, come on.
No, now I want us to sizoshintsha kancane manje ne. I want to understand. You were supposed to come back at Thokoza. Angithi?
Yeah.
Angithi manje Eastern Cape everything went well. And they embraced you and siyabonga Eastern Cape kusala owethu.
Yeah.
You came back this side. There was supposed to be a welcome back party. What happened? What was the issue, if you don't mind us discussing it? What was the problem with the party or the welcome back?
Okay. The issue.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yini yenza umsindo?
Yeah.
Yini yenza umsindo?
Umsindo, ne?
Yeah.
I think into eyenza umsindo was the fact that I walked to Eastern Cape.
Okay.
Yabo? Yeah, I think into eyenza umsindo le. Okay. What happened was andiyazi bandiqale ngaphi ne, but everything was beautiful. Everything was planned ngendlela that's beautiful. Ngendlela that is okay. Let me just get straight to the point.
Yeah.
Okay. I-theme ye-campaign yam was Steps of Unity.
Yes.
Yabo? With i-theme being Steps of Unity, let alone the word steps, because obviously I was walking. Next time it's been cycle, so it's gonna be a cycle of unity. Yabo? But then elona gama libalulekileyo was the word unity. Yabo? If I'm allowed to ask more questions ngoku, what do you understand about the word unity?
Bringing people together.
Nice one. I think that was a very important point number one that was ignored. You know why I'm saying that? I'm saying that because support from here at Josie, I tell you, it was 100%. It was like 100% great. Andiyazi banzo expressa kanjani. I did say ban kwazo expressa, but it was 100% great. And then there was a welcoming payana. After a welcoming comes a post. I'm not gonna call names because I didn't say I will. Comes a post, and then Figi post. It's a Facebook Live. It says, guys, nibonile welcoming ya MK Eastern Cape. It was beautiful, and all of that, like compliment or that. And then along those lines, there's then words ezithi angeke sodlulwe Eastern Cape. Let us do something.
That
Yabo?
concept, yeah.
Yeah. Red flag number one
yeah, it
for
wasn't.
me.
Now it starts to look like it wasn't
Kukompita
because
yeah. Now sekukompita okay, I don't know if I read it wrong or what.
I understand, man.
But to tell you the truth is my mind was 100 focused on the campaign. And I was well aware bangaba if it can go wrong, izoba wrong kanjani. Yabo? People that were supporting me with campaign, they supported umakasana. They supported Umtoyen's campaign because we are work. They supported me based on what I need during the campaign. Yabo? There was never or they supported me based on what I posted and say I want to achieve out of Leo campaign Leo. But no one actually understood the concept of Leo campaign Leo. Bangaba kwenzeka ntoni kahle kahle yabo. But I excitement kunye nokufuna ukusupport uMakasana, of which that was beautiful. That was 100% beautiful. Yeah, shielder away I thought yokufuna understand ukuba okay kwenzeka ntoni apha yabo. Okay, usually I would share lama lives lawana that were posted go MK and all of that, because ngokuya the attention was too much on my account ukuba what is his next post, next move, sekakuphi. So if ever anyone is saying anything about i-campaign aka MK ndiyibone post yakhona, I will share it so that izobonwa kakhulu. I didn't share that one ethi angeke sodlulwe Eastern Cape. I just saw the live and I was like, okay, this one I'm not sharing it.
Because it doesn't resonate in a concept, man.
Yeah, what?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I get it.
So sidlule now we are ignoring, we are saying that was into yokuqala yeah ignore leya. That was my red flag number 1. Okay. Red flag number 2, yenzakele ki campaign. Everything that's being discussed eJozi andithandi kuHlautini se-Eastern Cape, it's being discussed. Kungena call. Ferry Brown mnandi and mnandi na. I'm not going to mention the guy, but Ugwi committee that was leading the welcoming parade. Ebe by planner this side. Okay. He's one of the executive committees there. He calls me, Ferry ntang ubuya nini? Yabo? And I'm like, hey Tayam. Angikho sure ban buya nini. Why I'm not sure banga ban buya nini? Up Eastern Cape, anzanga in a strange place up. Dize ekhaya. Yabo? So I cannot go and then send their jigger. Yabo? But there's people that I need to go and see and stuff, and then on the other hand, in a family.
Yeah.
Yabo? So ubuya dithi ke mna ke ngizobuya next week. Ndifike nge-12, was it? Yeah, nge-12. Yeah, ndifike nge-12. I think that was on Monday. So I knew banzohlala the whole week. Ndikwazi ukubona ifamily and observe whatever that I want to observe for the actual campaign. Yabo? Not the experimental work but the actual campaign. To observe whatever that I want to observe. So the time was enough. Next week. So they asked on which day next week. I'm not sure about the day. Why am I not sure about the dates? Because abanye abantu that I might want to see, I'm not sure but bazoba available now on the day. So for man's sake, but there's going to be some delays. Yabo? So still nhluleka ukuphendula lento leyo, but because he's insisting on getting the date, digcine sensithi man anamali yobuya kusamele ndiphande imali yobuya. So I think I'm gonna wait nyana ndibuye nge-23. Athi yena akusi stress manganamali yobuya sizokufakela ndithi yo akuna excuse yimfethu. Akuna excuse like kumele nibuyile nize eGauteng. Now obviously I saw their post yokuba asinakugqithwa Eastern Cape. Now they want to do something and for them to proceed ngama plans wabo obviously kumele kube ne date yokuba nibuya nini. So nikhupha date that says ndibuya nge-23. Ndimxelela umjito, okay, I'm coming back nge-23. Athi ntanga sure sharp. E23 zinge Friday of the following week. Sure. See 3 days after kuphumi post. Makuphumi post welcoming parade. Kungeni post from imama that is also on the executive committee saying ndenzele poster lena, please approve. Mara sendiyithumelele kwabanye abantu and stuff. Yabo? Okay. Inkhwanqise I don't know kukuthini ukukhwanqa. Like yeah, inkhwanqise lando yokuba sendiyithumele kwabanye abantu but I still need to approve. Okay, I'm not choice guy. So sure right mfethu. Anyway, right. Yabo, because kazi liyenza lonto liyenzayo ndithi sharp avaya amalanga. Hayi man, the following day mna ndikhuphe i-post on Facebook that says ndibuya nge-23 ne. The following day hayi man, athi omnye why date is contradictor, because when you are saying ubuya nge-23 kwi-post kuthiwa ubuya nge-30, and I'm like, I didn't look at i-post ngaleyo ndlela leyo banzocheck ama-dates nanani, because this is communicated and it okay kwi-post kubhalwe i-30 ayindifone ndifonele the guy that I told the date. Bafo, I see this thing kwenzeka ntona, because mna ndikhuphe information 80 and then there's this other information ngapha ebhaliwe epostini. No ntanga hard yabona. It's something that we were supposed to communicate with you. It's not gonna happen again. But ubani bani besimi invite, I'm not gonna mention the names, but I know. But ubani bani besimi, I did mention the names man on Facebook. We've invited ukansela plus no scheme GP. So they proposed E30 and E30 instead of E23. Yabo. And I'm like, let alone ukuthi ngenapi. That is okay, ne? But communicate nam. Yeah, because now if into fikayo engqondweni yami was that ngokwe budget I planned that I'm going to be here for 1 week. Yabo. Now, if it's not going to be E23, there's 7 days away, 8 still. It's a second week. I don't have a budget here second week. Now, I panic, I'm okay, yo. Ndenza ithini sekumele ngicalculate ke ngokuba how do I, and ukhumbule Eastern Cape akufana kai umbane uyathengwa la. So whatever uzocinga fana ba we budgetele, if ever ufaka ngumbane kwi budget yakho, you must know ubuwile. Yabo. Okay, so whilst kusenzeka lonto leyo kubuye kungene okay kundlula malanga still I let this thing slide, but it's my red flag number 2 lento leyo yokuchangewa kwama dates without communicating. I let it slide still. Okay, dibone i-link on Facebook invite abantu to join, so kuzoplanwa this parade, so that mina ngingaboni, because whatever that's being communicated on Facebook ndiyayibona obviously. So they decided to do a WhatsApp group where they are going to discuss whatever that must happen. Yabo? Okay, it got to a point where kuba ne idea yama t-shirts that must be worn on the day ye parade. Now indaba yama t-shirts but badebate ngokwegama ngokwe branding emayenziwe kwi t-shirt, yabona. Others are saying masifake ni slogan sakhe, others in I don't even have a slogan, masifake ni slogan sakhe in yonke lonto leyo, yabo. So abanye abantu bathi hayi, he used to say ane, so let us blame the word ane on the t-shirt, because that's what he used to say. And I'm like, Habisakul and thang. Okay, when I heard that, I was like, Habisakul and thang. And then after that, ane apinde kubene oti. I remember there was a guy who called Ansiwe called me dilele ebusuku, yabo. So mna xa bamfona ndiyagoloza bamfida sukuvusa umjidalele. So yena he takes that artist slogans athi masibhaleni ku t-shirt and say sukuvusa umjidalele and stuff. So kube leyo
promotion.
Yeah, but it's happening on the group. I'm not seeing anything. Yabo, it's happening on that group abayenzile. Okay, now omnye we-executive sends me i-WhatsApp. Ngikangisendele i-WhatsApp, hey, siyenza ama t-shirt ntontoni, yabo. What can we write ku t-shirt yakho? Okay, ndibathumelele into abamayibhale. Andithi banibuzile. I don't know bakwenzeka ntoni, but I'm asked what can we write ku t-shirt yakho. I appreciated that, because if ever it's gonna manje ndiyijonga ndiyayilibala ngomna ndiyi-guest ngoku, so alinakanga ama-mics. Okay, so for me mfethu yi-branding ne. Branding is everything man. Branding is everything, and i-branding can either like can either build or destroy a company or your reputation or whatever you may call it. Yeah, but for me, everything is a brand. Even indlela, it's a brand. Skontira or anything, umuntu, it's a brand. Like everything for me, it's a brand. So I knew, but if the company, the committee that was organizing my welcoming parade, izoba ne-control of izinto eziningi, that is fine. But they mustn't touch brand.
Yeah.
Brand is mine. Yabo? Because I knew, but first of all, no one from the organizing committee made time to call me and ask about the campaign. Kwenzeka ntoni? Yonke leyo nto leyo. The questions that were asked or ama-documents that were sent to me to approve, mhlawumbe, being ama-documents that were going to ama-sponsors. I think it's even 2 documents that were going to ama-sponsors. But okay, please go through these documents. If there's anything you'd like us to change, yabo, then they should be okay, please change A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Bekuzezo kuphela, but they were not bekuzi documents. Okay, remember kuma-sponsors, I said I wanted a car, I wanted the studio equipment, kunye ne studio place, I don't know what to call it, yabo, ne studio place or a house. So those documents were based on those 3 things that I said I wanted. Yabon? They were not mainly of it, like the actual campaign that's happening, like the whole idea. Yabo? So the gentleman that was making sure bangaba elo side le documents uyalenza, I respect that gentleman, because ayikho into ayenzile without passing kum to say can you approve. But ke kwenzekile man, and then zaphuma i-t-shirts. Makuphuma i-t-shirts akubhalwanga leya wedding that we agreed on when I was asked ukuthi kubhalwe ini. Kubhalwe something totally different and contradicting kwi-campaign. Yabo? Now the sad part kuleya nto leya was that yimi kuphela ubonayo ukuthi what's happening here, and yimi kuphela that is willing to take wonke ama-hits, wonke ama-blames, wonke ama-insults, wonke ama-in, so that at the end of the day this thing ihlale protected.
Yeah.
Yabo? So this mama comes Eastern Cape, ndibuya komnyumzi ekhaya, I'm going komnyumzi ekhaya still. Yabo? So inhlangana na this mama uyanimisa, MK ugrand, ndimnandi mama, right, yani sharp wena, yo zihle izikipa zakho. Yabo? Uyancoma zihle izikipa zami, anikakaziboni mina izikipa.
Sizibonile.
Yeah, I'm like, yo nami ncoma. And then uyabuza uba why Elliot ingabhalwanga apha, why Ikhowa ingabhalwanga apha. She said why Ikhowa ingabhalwanga, why Ikhowa ingabhalwanga apha. I think abantu base Elliot prefer the word Ikhowa. Yeah, but Elliot. And I'm like, okay, khawulezise ke ngoku ndithi must rewind, ne, because nami le nto ndiba excited yiyo andiyazi, yabo. And I'm like, bheka mfethu, I haven't seen into ikipa, but then I trust abantu baseKasilamu, yabo. So that's why I'm confident because I know what's written is kipeni. And I'm the one that sent Leonto le. Not because Dimote, if you guys are gonna do t-shirts, they
came to you.
They came to me. The idea of my t-shirts wasn't mine. Even the idea of a parade wasn't even mine. Yeah. Okay. Anbonisa ama t-shirts from a phone in yakhe. Xa nibona i-t-shirt ibhaliwe ba welcome back, you made us proud. Paula Park, Thokoza, Gauteng, Eastern Cape, South Africa. Okay. That's good. But nkhumbula ku English, man. I remember there was this time where besienza ama directions. Remember when they would say sienze ama activity ama directions, direct umuntu from kuphi but using your landmarks and stuff. Umem Ndaye Mhlebuzile would always say, don't miss out a landmark. If ever you are doing something that has to do with landmarks, don't miss out yonke landmark important for that person to get to where they're going. Yabo? Okay. How is that implying kuyo yonke lento le years later? Okay.
Yeah, Eastern Cape.
Yeah. I'm saying ku campaign yami disuka eThokoza, ePolar Park, eKuruleni, ziseGauteng zonke izinto lezi because all the words is khona phaya. I am going to Eastern Cape, eElliot, eChris Hani district okanye eSakisizwe municipality. Yabo? Because vele Sakisizwe municipalities busy destination yami because zona newolo it's one building. Yabo? My argument to them is, or from that mama, if ever you're going to include ama landmarks, wafake wonke. Let the welcoming parade that is branded. Ukhumbule welcoming parade yase Cape wasn't branded. Ama police, they came with their uniforms. Kanjalo. Naxa sindisisiwa ku medical attention, nabonesi bebefaka ama uniforms zabo da. Nothing was branded, anything private or customized for the campaign. Nothing. Yabo? So this side, everything iya brandwa. I'm thinking bangaba everything iya brandwa this side because we are well resourced this side compared to that side. Yabo? But this is not a platform yokuba maku introduce a comparison. Kai bangaba which municipality is resourced to kundlula enye and all of that. We're not doing that here. We are doing unity. Now, if ever you are going to exclude ICOA, akusase unity. Segui exclusion. And it has the name MK in it. Now, if ever it's going to have the name MK in it, that means you are now tapping into my brand. How are you tapping into my brand? There's going to come... I made this, okay, because this thing in detail, it's what I've said during the call. When I get this information from Nosisilo, ngicela unithumelele le photo le, yabo? Okay, anithumelele photo, ibe sefonini yami. Difonele ama executives. I call the first two executives ebenhlala ngicommunicate nazo. I knew the network yami iyanibhayizisa the Eastern Cape, so it might be in network yami that's a problem. But I kept calling omnye xa ngafumana omnye, and then I called Ulinda, ndafumana Ulinda. Okay, send him mention ndafumana Ulinda, yabo? I asked Ulinda, hey mama, ugrand? Yeah, I'm kind sharp wena. Ndithi I'm good. Athi Ulinda, ndithi ke mna ke uzibonile izikipa? Athi ya ntwana, besizinxibile izikipa when we were going kwi meeting nama sponsors on Saturday. I'm calling on Sunday. Saturday, it's yesterday. Okay. Did you get when nama sponsors saw the wedding ebhalwe ezikipeni, didn't they have a problem? Didn't they mind? Didn't they question? Ati, no, they didn't. Did you get okay. Apa, it's not only the organizing committee that is missing the point, or the community that has approved this wedding that is missing the point. It's also the sponsors.
Now they're sponsoring a cause they don't understand.
Now they are sponsoring a cause abangayazi. Yeah, we are okay. There was a meeting Yama sponsors that was held yesterday. Why wasn't I part of the meeting? Whereas I'm the subject. Whereas I know 100% of information abayazi 0% bona nge-campaign. Yabo? Whoever that's gonna come to me ati dignikeza le moto, is the car coming out of a donation or is it sponsorship? Or it's in a partnership ntonton?
Collaboration.
It's equal. Anzazi zonke izinto ezenzakalayo. You know, now this whole information iyazwakala yikum ngexesha eliwani ukuthi there's a lot of things ezenzekayo kai and you are not paying attention to them, or not, let alone that you are not paying attention to them, uyazivumela uba ngaba mazenzeke because awuzinqandi, yabo. Ndithi ke mna ke kulinda, bheka ke mfethu, esaskip esibhalwe pha asinrepresenti mna, leya wedding ebhalwe pha eskipeni ayinrepresenti mna as MK. I represent EMK and I represent campaign. Yabo, athi ntwana, why ukhuluma kanjalo? I respected the question. And I'm like, i-wedding ebhalwe phaya I'm including ukhowa, and it has a landmark. I'm including ukhowa. And on top of it, not including ikhowa and all of that, akusile wedding besivumelene ngayo when you guys asked me ukuba ngaba sifane ntoni. Yabo, it's a total different thing eyenziwa wrong still. And then ulinda athi, yo ntwana, ezizikipa sesiziprintile and amanye ama-batch ayazwakala kusasa bazowadeliver. Dithi ke mna ke, I cannot go with this wedding. Why am I not able to go with this wedding? Is that it's not even me who spotted into wrong ngale wedding le. It's someone else, and ngumntu wasekhowa. With whatever that I'm doing, I cannot jeopardize relationship yam nekhowa in this manner. Let alone banzo create ama conversations nama argument azo spike abantu kuthi usile and all of that. That is me. But with the brand, that one I akumelanga to that's where ama emotions am azero khona. Yabo? So ndiyenza umzekelo ndithi kuye, look at history saka Nelson Mandela. When you go online ngoku, you search online, abanye abantu are saying that Nelson Mandela died in the 80s khona lapha in prison, and then they cloned another person. Yabo? And then abanye abantu are saying, no man, Nelson Mandela is the one who died in 2013. Yabo? So sekune stories ethu about this man. And again, to a point where we even forget umsebenzi awuyenzile because we are stuck into the fact that no man, lo muntu lo, whatever it is, yabo, I get Nelson Mandela to come for himself and say, this is my story and this is how things happened, because I need his story some, but mina ngikhona.
You'll advocate for yourself.
Yeah, I think nansi into vele yanipha that thing yokuthi ngikhona.
Yeah, I think also you walked and you risked so much to get there for someone to change his story
and destroy everything to
and
them.
It's the smallest detail that destroys, isn't it?
Yeah.
Eastern Cape is what is and then we are not mentioned.
And then Tina, we are not mentioned.
We are the primary destination. We are not mentioned.
Yeah, well,
towards Abusuga corner, you are not even going.
You are not
there.
even recognized or supported or abagenzelanga and send off.
You know, but Eastern Cape came out.
Yeah.
I think people don't want to understand self-advocacy.
Exactly.
Who's kulmela makes you a bad person.
Shame any askies for me, it just got to a person or like only emotions is zero nyan when it comes to MK. Zero. What's right is right, what's wrong is wrong. I don't even sugarcoat. Yeah, well? So I say to them, and you asked about this campaign thing or this parade thing. So DT game like Gulinda, can you guys please remove Lama t-shirts la? Yeah, well,
maybe
because
t-shirtless
can you guys please remove Lama t-shirts la? At no ngeke sikwazi kwa remove Lama t-shirts la. Remember, tina siyenze this thing out of uthando and nokusupport umakasana wethu. Yabo? I get that. But you are coming with emotional blackmail, of which that's okay. Technique yako, but environment wrong. Now this is a business environment. This is environment they create history that is sensitive. Yabo? It's wrong for you to come and do what you think it's supposed to be appreciated and umtayithobele because it's just an imenzela yona as a community and stuff. Ukhumbule ba I grew up in this community. I didn't experience uthando in this community until nariskubombam. Yabo? Now I'm stuck kuleya zone yokuba digqibo riskubombam. Yabona, for this thing. And then comes a community that I've never received, like not even
Didn't
one person
recognize.
of uthando or a recognition or a support from bona. Sekumele ke ngoku ndi appreciate because iwave it's iso
Yeah.
ngokwe support and all of that. I must ignore yonke into le that is right or that is wrong and focus on the idea that now a community has gotten the opportunity to celebrate one of their own. Bendi ambassador grand for unite community. That is true. But that was working for the community and not for me.
But also, I think people are looking at it wrong, man. And I think I texted you during that commotion.
Yeah, ndiyakhumbula usithi yo bayeke, like try to apologize.
No, I didn't say that.
You didn't say that?
Yeah,
I was getting text, man.
I think I said something like, they shouldn't shift what you did. ngenxa yegiba. If they wanted to do it, they were supposed to let go of Igiba
Of igiba.
and continue. Because if you are advocating for what you believe in and what you are working for, kusasa uzoshona, and if you had allowed lezo Igiba, that was going to be into ehlala nawe forever.
Now,
And uyizodla wena
true.
to say, yo, ngisofika Eastern Cape ngithini.
I then say to Linduba, 10 years, 20 years to come, kunomntana ose-primary ngoku ongakazalwa nokuzalwa, abazali abakashelani nokushelana, uzoba khona leyo mntwana afunde ngehistory, because this thing people will talk about it
They
for
will.
ixesha elininzi. I'm the first person e-Elliot ukuyenza leya nto leya e-extreme. So even if eGauteng sibaninzi or sitheni siyenza ntoni or ngendlela esinganakananga ngayo, no one is going to pay attention to it, but a person or a young person from Ekowa will say ikasi lethu was once spoke of because kwakunomntu owasuka le waza apha and all of that. But now the sad part about leyo history le azabe ifunda is that kuleya celebration enkulu ebewuyenza that was well resourced ukudlula le bewuqale ngayo that was unplanned, why ungayi-includwanga Ekowa la?
And that's your primary place for the project yakho, ngithi.
Dude,
That's like the place, your project
Dude.
yakho, to be honest. If you are saying the campaign is based that side, but now sisigqokile le igiba that are not recognizing ikho yakho.
Yam.
I think it was Naigabi, but it was unreasonable for them not to say, because number one, you walked for that purpose and you went to that place, and then you come back this side, you just went to Eastern Cape. It looks like uvelwa Eastern Cape. And then
Yeah.
bazosibeka Eastern Cape ikuphi? Asazi, now we need to Google.
uyabona?
Konje beka ukuphi Eastern Cape? Now you are that, it's like you are shying away from ikhaya lakho.
Ikhaya lami. And I'm not ashamed ngeKhowa.
And ikhaya izoyithatha kanjalo ukuthi kusho ukuthi uyasisabela umfethu.
Yazini, I'm not ashamed ngeKhowa. Ingcambu zami ziphaya. Everything that I now know, ingcambu zayo zida, like roots zayo zida. So that's one place engangeke. Okay, zingaba ningi like other towns as Eastern Cape and all of that, but Ekowa, guys. Ekowa for me. So the word Eastern Cape was okay because it was like including everything and all of that. But I didn't go to Eastern Cape.
But they didn't say Gauteng.
And there's so
they
many
said Gauteng, Phalapark,
Thokoza. Yabo, specifications is corner this
Zikhona
side. Then azikho ngaphaya. And umamumeya the Eastern Cape when she was welcoming kwi town hall, she said uLuyanda Philiso ubuya ePolar Park eThokoza eseGauteng kwi Ekurhuleni municipality, uze Eastern Cape Ekowa esakhe isizwe municipality uyabona ukuthi
the unity concept comes back.
uqalile if ever dacala khona ukumention ilandmark A1 she made sure
all of
ukuba ngaba
them.
she's not creating anything that's going to be questionable about this statement sakhe yabo I appreciated le nto leya even though I was a bit worried about uThixo yazi xa mention ama landmarks for me thetha yonke into so that we are all in the clear. You'll never know who's recording.
You never know who's recording. This is when
Yeah,
I
well.
was recording.
So man, yeah.
But yeah, man, I think also I want you to stop shying away from what you did. Because now the concentration was iggy. If Facebook was now not flooding a campaign and the Impact Day campaign, but now it was iggy. Yo, bengibhore kanjani?
I'll tell you what. They cared for celebrate her, gathering, and who's gonna come. You know, people from the municipality, yonke le nto le. Because I tell you, I got calls even from people that I trusted when it comes to being sober-minded kwizinto so. But then at the same time, I understood ukuthi mhlambi this is not your business or your brand.
Yeah.
That is why you are being maybe ngale ndlela le. People were calling and saying, mfethu ayikho lento ekhalalelayo. Iskipa kuphela. You can after the welcoming parade mfethu sewufumene yonke lento le, you can just uyilungisa indaba yegipa and all of that.
Yeah, I get that.
Yabo? Cabanga mfethu, you've always wanted imoto, you've always wanted
Add to
to
expense.
you've always wanted to phakamisa ikasi lakho yonke like ziyeza zonke izinto ezine. And I'm like mfethu, I get what is at stake here. I get what is in front of me and what I got to choose. Yabo? Ibrand yam is capable of buying me a cars basically. It's capable of buying me houses. It's capable of getting me equipment that's gonna be way more than enough ungdlula le eninayo. Ne? But it's just not yet ixesha lokuba mayenzeke le nto leyo. If ever a sacrifice ekumele ndiyenze is to sacrifice the very same brand endiyibuildayo. Like I just cannot mfethu. Yabo? So you're just gonna let the cars ntanga yonke into indlule because zonke izinto is there here. Silinde nje when bangabe ufike uzithathe. And like I get it, bruh. I get it. All those people from government that were invited, your municipalities, bonga abantu basekuruleni, abantu abakhulu, your mayors and all of that. I was like, I'll get to meet these people, shake his izandla zabo and all of that. But all at an expense of ibrand yami.
The purpose.
That wasn't worth it, Bafethu. Askisini, that wasn't worth it. So I said to ama campaign organizers, those people not campaign organizers, the executive committee that was organizing my welcoming parade. I said to them, it's either you guys remove my t-shirts or we cancel the campaign. Ebona, for the fact that it even got to a point where Atulinda, I must understand because bayenza lento le because of donke lento le bafake inhliziyo zabo nama efforts. I mustn't ignore that because of that. Yabo, I was like, it's either we change ama t-shirts or cancel the campaign. Bona bathi hayi ngcono ke ku cancel the campaign, and I was like, I'm game.
My cancel.
I'm game because me allowing by campaign my bekhona, it's at this cost and I'm not willing to pay the price. Ngazibhatala zonke. I can sign a deal ne company and zoba si slave sayo ngokomsebenzi for as long lo umsebenzi it's going to be aligned with umsebenzi endiwenzayo already. Like relationship yam na leyo company, it's going to be aligning, yabo, because I'm in the production space and at your company there you'd find good batting advertising or branding or whatever. So sizo align in a way that I can be a slave for, but not to sacrifice the brand for into. So and I was like, you'd find with 5 years izobe seyigugile le moto leya, 5-10 years to come izobe seyigugile, also fumana i-accident ngayo. But for i-brand sustain elangangeke ngikwazi ukusifixa as I remember anything engizabe mhlawumbe ndiyi-40 with i-equipment ye-MK ndingayidelete from my archives andithi. But omunye umuntu won't delete them because bazohlala benazo, abantu bazoshuta ngamafoni, ama-t-shirts or let alone ama-t-shirts, ikipa, yabo, yonke lento leya. I was like, I'm not willing to pay leya price leya. So the lady is asking, okay, this other mama from the organizing committee athi, if ever lama t-shirts lana bewungawabonanga prior, wawabona during the parade, bozoyenza njani, yabo? I'm like, okay, ndiyayithanda le question le, because vele bekuzokwenzeka kanjalo if ever bengazibonanga izinto eziya. So since silapha ndithi ngoku sikwi-process where we brutally honest ngento eyenzakalayo because sisilapha, I tell her the truth vele bangaba, because that's exactly that was going to happen. Benzawuma, when I stop, obviously parade izoma because I'm the main subject to parade. Izawuma nayo, I was gonna call i-authority, noma either i-traffic cop or i-EMPD or i-SAPS, ozoba kufitshane. I was gonna call them and then dibacele ukuba ngaba, can all these people abagcoke these t-shirts ezibhalwe into so be excused from, be removed from i-parade, or bacele ba remove ama-t-shirt or basuke bona from the parade, or kule ndawo ene-camera where there's going to be cameras. And again, the sad part is that i-community yami leyo that's going to be wearing those t-shirts, the-executive committee that's going to be wearing those t-shirts. So if ever media is going to be shifting from them, izawushuta bani? Yebo? And ukhumbula uba I'm the only media engazuba landela because ngizobe avoid this branding that is going to destroy into MK. Yabo? But ezinye media houses that were invited payana were not going to ignore that. They were going to shoot and publish everything as it is. Yabo? So I was like, "Ay mama, askis whatever you are looking for, babo ucinga mhlambe nizawuthi, yo, okay guys, benza unishouta after it." No. I was gonna make it drama right there and there so that even the followers the MK or not, let alone the followers, even a core bayazi ukuthi that wasn't his plan. Their branding wasn't his plan, and he stood for it. Yeah, well, so yeah, man.
But there's no such thing as bad publicity, ne?
Ayiko, publicity is publicity.
Brand.
Yeah.
Skip.
The cancellation.
Because explain why you turned that into a business. Like how. That's why I need to go to Marias. And Buzz was saying, I need to. You were canceling.
I was saying you because Ngok was.
Why?
Yeah, why? Okay, so basically, this outfit ending ne. Okay, I brought these as a sample, but nizos a sample ukuthi ama t-shirts anjani and then I short izoba kanjani. But as yabona ukuthi azikala
because I'm as phela mina mangumemile ku podcast mina ngikuphi gift. So I'm expecting ukuthi mangiphuma la ngiphume na le 2 pieces so.
Yeah, but then bengizise is for sample angithi. When I go to the supplier and your ngizofake yakho ne a t-shirt or both. Okay. Okay. Asquap. Now this is what's happening after kucancelwe indaba ye-parade and all of kucancelwe lanto yala parade. People are insulting left, right and center. You are ungrateful, we bastard, don't arrogant, wonke lama insult that one finds bangaba uzoziva ngathi bayimama amabele aqinile xa isisho, or if uyindoda if u5 iyaqina xa isenza izinto yabo. They did all of that, of which that was ncah for me. And then comes a time where Diboni post that says the cancellation of MK. Now the sad part about the cancellation of MK is that ukhumbule when bisikhuluma kuqala, I said South Africa as a whole kwi-MK i-support yayo nje i-engagement yayo it's less than 2%. South Africa as a whole, I'm not talking of i-province ethile kwaze kwathini, but nje as a whole South Africa it's less than 2%. Yiphi impact i-cancellation yaka-MK engayenza yabo? Asuka, that one I didn't care. I didn't care of. But what got to me in a way that's funny was that the very same people who were supporting the campaign, 100% for the campaign, making sure that they're not only supporting ngokushare ama-post, ngokurespond, ngokulike, ngokukhomenta, ngokuthini, but they are also pouring ama-10 rands wabo to make sure that we-MK uphuza amanzi and stuff. Mfethu xa sebekhansela, lo muntu akawokhanga, lo muntu lo ugibela itaxi. Yeah, ugibela itaxi in. And the other thing that was working for them kuleya cancellation was that anything that you say about MK is gonna have engagement. People are going to, and ama accounts wabantu ke shema be let me not even say be better kusabheda nangoku yabo, because now the subject is no longer about MK. And I was like, this thing, a cancellation, that's not even affecting me like in any way, because subscribers YouTube channels increasile. Ama videos, viewership yama videos, the content yasekasi, especially le sakhulayo, ziya increase. Engagement iya increase. You go on TikTok, like go increase ile yonke lento le, and then you go on Facebook, you check ama stats kada i-followers ziya increase. And I'm like, this thing a cancellation kanti isibane ngalendlela madoda.
Canceling every day.
Penny move and so yes, that's gonna make you guys cancel me. Yeah, so after yonke lento leya, I knew because everyone knows what I stood for, what I stand for was right, and it still is right. Uzoba sober from whatever be influencile ngokya bebathuki MK basithini yonke le nto leya. I mean i-IQ yakho iza kunqonqozela at some point ibe like khawuye kuba sisibhala yabo. And then there's gonna come a time where mhlawumbe uzothi udibana nami endleleni ukhumbule uba mna I'm still, and I'm way better than I was before the campaign leya yabo. So ndiyifumene le nto leya bendiyifuna, even though it's not 100% of what I wanted. I knew I wasn't gonna get 100%. I still need to make an introduction, of which introduction is now done yabo. That is why we are looking into the second annual campaign where we'll be cycling back to Eastern Cape, but this time sizohamba nge-Heidelberg and then ngemoto
on the side.
So hamba nge-Heidelberg and then from Alwal North sizothatha iQueenstown, angeke sisaphuma ngeBuckley East, sizoyidonsa iroute ibende sindlule ngase-Queenstown.
But now do you know how to cycle?
Yeah, lama scars la ngabe bhayisikile.
Nesicela ukucycle tu before the
Yeah,
campaign.
I'll start training apha kuMay. Yeah, I'll start training apha kuMay. But yeah, we good man. So after le nto leya kuhleli wave ye cancellation, it's now my turn ke ngoku. I'm mfethu ndiyayithanda social media and I know the success yam it's there. Yabo? So idrama esiyenza sijongene ubuso nobuso, andi-entertain because ayizundifakela imali yabo, but idrama ya online I tell you mfethu. So bekuthi even if kuvuka iy'kandalinyana ezithile yiye kasi ngasomeone, if I know you've participated kule cancellation yaka-MK, ngiyakugiva lo.
Yeah, Nico safe, yes.
Ngiyakugiva lo. I feel like now it's my turn kuba ngabanike like in this visa.
Yeah.
Like same thing that you guys were feeling by the time benin cancer and stuff. Nikhumbule mna I was extremely worried ukuthi how is this cancellation thing is going to actually affect, because ngendlela ebebenivuthela ngayo, I swear ukuthi ngizothi ngiyehle ebhasini mangifika yiye eJozi mfethu,
Kushisa.
nizongishisa nizongistona nayo yonke lento leyo, but dani ngamagwala man.
Yo.
Ngamagwala.
Mshise before senze librand asibiza amagwala.
Yeah. Nah man. So that's when I decided, but you know what? Man, this thing yokugezela abantu ku Facebook. Yeah, it's entertaining, it's fun, and abantu ba-engage obviously xa kugezwa. I don't get vele why abantu be-social media izinto zinganangqondo bazi-entertainer kangaka, but isibhadlile you would never see people engaging kuzo. But I was like, let me do cancellation yaka-MK.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
you cancelled the cancellation.
I cancelled the cancellation because when you are looking at that branding their wedding, the cancellation is cancelled. It didn't work. The cancellation campaign that was made about MK actually brought me attention more. Brought me attention more. And I like that if followers they understand mfethu man, a spade is a spade kum, and asizanga kule platform le to spoon feed the emotions zabantu. No, we are here to try and develop a community, and if ever we are going to try and develop a community ngoku spoon feed the feelings zabantu doing into abayithandayo, sizobhayiziseka. There's this guy, I think yaseGhana, we are trending on social media where he's saying that government was in South Africa weak, ama decisions are being taken by citizens other than being taken by government and stuff. I find that true in a way, because into nobe uyayibona ba i-weak kangakanani or idom kangakanani, but when i-wave social media is into it, even the offices of government, they are compelled into thinking ubangaba that is right because abantu abaninzi, but focus ekuyo le nto leyo. MK, we are not shifting le nto leyo, or we are not in an ocean enaloma waves lawo where we are going to entertain those waves. No, we're not. Kai, we call a spade, and everyone that we invite here, we call them to come and account, especially this year. Theme leadership inside accountability. Everyone that comes here, they come to account, and your account based on umsebenzi wakho, not umsebenzi womunye umuntu. Yabo, because even if I would call abantu be service delivery, if ever you are maybe in a ward committee, portfolio yakho is service delivery, I know ukuthi makublockade train, you are not the one ekumele afake izinto that adonsa train, but umsebenzi wakho uthi yenza ntoni makublockade train. You are the one that's supposed to do a follow-up to umasipala ukuthi azwakala azolungisa and all of that. If ever there's proof yokuthi uyenzile umsebenzi wakho, then you save. Yabo, there's references umbizile umasipala akafika yena, then when you save.
Evidence. Podcast.
Yeah, guys, let us learn to account. Ilizwe lethu limoshekile because we've appointed leaders that are unable to
they get away with anything
or are allergic to lento le yok account. So Tina CMK is different. That is why even we do not even want to affiliate with any political party, but sisebenza nazo zonke because this is a major platform for the community. Yabo. So hey Sisi.
No. And I think we are moving to my last request, rather.
Request.
More than a question, right? Say there's someone, right? And umfana omncane ufika kuwe uthi put MK. I come from a household engana a male figure, ne? And now I don't know how to navigate impilo. How do I get to this point, Luguyo, where you say you stand for what you believe in, even when the whole world is shouting to a different direction? How do you remain kule ndlela le wena ufuna ukuya kuyo?
uNkulunkulu makas creator, he also created the inner person in us. Omunye umuntu uzothi instinct. Omunye will call it an inner voice or whatever, ne? Be curious. Be eager to know, to learn. Khangela information. But ungamameli yonke into le yenzakalayo. Always pay attention to what your instincts are telling you. Kuwo wonke ama situation, there is no right and perfect answer ungdluli instinct yakho. Bear in mind there's going to be people who are going to influence your instinct against back influencer into thinking but something is right. So you've got to learn to be mentally matured, be able to understand the environment okuyo. When you know bangaba mentally you won't survive the environment lena, they will overcome mhlawumbi amandla wakho wengcondo. Shift that. I think izinto ezibhaya zinspanele for me because I'm an introvert. Akuna anything any interest ayo mna. Parties don't interest me. Going out doesn't interest me. Like ayikho into eni interest ayo other than in me time. Yabo? When I'm in me time, I get to listen to myself. I get to know my worth and my values. Noguthi, what is it that I want and stuff. Yabo? So if ever you are able to get leyo nto leyo, ungabe umuntu that wants everything ayibona inhle komunye umuntu. Yeah, just have a purpose nje in life and work on fulfilling a purpose yakho. Then uzoba mnandi. But what I say kakhulu is that never ignore your inner voice, ever.
No. All right, so I think that's it from me
Yeah.
to MK. But so guys, if you still have more questions, comment section is open. He will interact. If not, some canceller foods.
Yeah.
So cancel the cancellation yakho. Interact with us on YouTube.
Yo. Okay, so guys, there's actually two brands, ne? There's actually two brands. It's the cancellation of MK. Okay, it's the cancellation of MK, but then I just call it the cancellation of MK. I'll show you the picture. It's gonna be that one. And then the second one, it's gonna be MK. So you can order or ifuna, be it ufuna MK straight or ufuna cancellation aga MK. But do know it's provocatively cancellation aga MK. When you are buying it, you must know that you stand with me 100%.
Definitely.
When you are buying MK, you are supporting me. There's a difference between standing with someone and supporting them. Yeah, you are supporting me.
They supported you, but they didn't stand with you.
Yeah. So yeah, please guys, remember we've opened this platform. Wow, thank you for actually honoring. I don't know if I should call it honoring or what. Ukucela kwam to come and open up this platform. I hope you stand at akasirezanga kakhulu guys,
I'm
but
a
then
woman on top. It sticked with me.
yeah. What the? Okay. But you are actually welcome, guys. You're actually welcome to come and sit on this side, and we'll reflect on a campaign that happened. Yeah, well, whatever that you'd like to know, any questions that you have, please come and ask. She didn't. Usazobuya.
Yeah, you were my playing it.
You said you was guys, umuntu makafumana chance one so that you give others a chance to ask questions. Yeah. Yeah, uyivalile show.
But please guys, like and subscribe. Sifuna ukuthenga ibhayisikili entsha.
Hey,
Subscribe.
I need 2 basically, and 1 for a training, and then Enzo Wambangayo on the day.
So let's grow these numbers and
Ibe ne trailer.
Siyabonga.
Ibe ne trailer, ndinga ibhayisikili ne trailer. Andisafuna ukuxwaya anything, my back was because ndandixweye.
Yakhona ukudonsa itrailer ngebhayisikili.
Ngebhayisikili. Yeah, apparently amabhayisikili anama trailer yazi.
Alright, send them next week. 2. God.